Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP in your Arculus wallet and want to move it over to Kraken for trading or staking, you're in the right place. Today, we're walking through a step-by-step guide on how to transfer XRP from Arculus to Kraken in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets secure. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and a verified Kraken account. Why is this important? Kraken is a popular exchange, and transferring to it can open up more opportunities for your crypto. Start by opening your Arculus wallet and logging in with your secure credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your XRP holdings. You'll see an option like Send or Transfer. Tap that to get started. Next, you'll need to enter the destination address. Head over to your Kraken account on their website or app, go to your wallet section, and copy the XRP deposit address. This is crucial. Double-check that it's the correct address to avoid any mishaps. Back in Arculus, paste that address into the "to" field, then enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Remember, crypto transactions often have network fees, so factor that in to ensure you're sending the right amount. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and any transaction details. Once you're good, approve the transaction. Arculus might require biometric verification or a PIN for security. Go ahead and complete that. Now, sit tight. The transfer should process on the XRP ledger, which is usually pretty fast, but it can take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, log back into Kraken and check your wallet to confirm the XRP has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it some time and maybe refresh the page. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your XRP. A quick tip: always keep an eye on market trends and security best practices, especially in the ever-changing crypto world of 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.